Hello guys, I am unboxing a controller right here for Xbox One. You might have noticed it. We have a new Xbox One. You might have one, but yeah. Anyways, I hope you send me in the comments what you got for Christmas and stuff, so I'm just gonna open this now, I guess. Here's the controller. Well, yeah. This went by fast. Okay, now I'm going to do some footage of me. I'm going to do some footage of me playing, okay? So I'll see you in the next part. Don't worry guys, I got the account and everything set up. So, oh yeah, plus we got a few new games. We got Battlefront, everybody has, and Overwatch. So I'm going to be playing some Overwatch. Okay. Gotta sign in. Gotta sign in to Popsicle Bro. Okay, which one's it? Overwatch. No. Okay. But a lot of stuff is going on. What's your box loot? Cool. Okay. Let's go back. No. Just want to play. There you go. Let's play. Quick play, arcade, competitive, play versus AI, and quick play. Okay. We found a game, so yeah. Just a little. Please. Bastion. Bastion is awesome. That's my favorite character. Tell me in the comments what your favorite character is, okay guys? So, I'm ready for battle. Just, yeah. That's over.
Oh, you need to go ask your boss where it all came from. Then we can talk.
Attack commences in 30
Get this over with. Open the doors. 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 Just open the door. 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 Yes. Okay. She's gonna open the door. Yay! Oh my gosh. Okay. Ah. Okay. Man. It's gonna be a harsh battle. Junkrat's here. Frick. No. 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 Okay. We can still do this. We can still do this. We can still do this. Come on, we can still do this. We just change back. Okay.
Into the iris.
enemy contact.
Okay.